City, not only in Angeles, in Clark also. It's Lechon Manok 300 peso. And another side, what is this? Walk around hotel. I will ask now Scorebirds Hotel about pool party. Oh, take a look. This is Malaysian, but I can wait, not problem for me. Where, Georgia? I don't know where. Smell cigarette, I cannot. And Georgia also. Cigarette. It's, I don't like. No, how much?
I don't
Also don't know. Okay. Tequila Reef. Hi everyone. Now Wednesday. And I planning go to the Meikas bar. Because Georgi play billiard now in Meikas bar. And he bought for me some vitamins in iHerb. Already have delivery, and he said I already bring. You can just go to pick up these vitamins. I will show what he bought for me, and in this video you can watch how I walk. I don't want to go inside walking street. Of course I can hide camera, I can filming. I don't like hide camera. I want to do how I before I always do filming in the red street, walking street. If not allowed, no, I follow rules. Even this is not rules if they don't like. That's why I walk. You can watch where I walk. And I also I want to ask also in Scorebirds Hotel about swimming pool party for February. Have or don't have, because February usually is touristic season in Angeles City. Many tourists usually arrive. That's why I want to show to you, and I walk. So now I walk to the Scorebirds Hotel and show to you. I will ask staff in Scorebirds. Interesting also for me. Have a swimming pool party or not? This is McDonald's. In front you can see for sale penthouse condominium for sale. Many businesses now for sale in Angeles City. Not only in Angeles, in Clark also. Fields Plaza Hotel. This is silver jeepney. You can go to center of Angeles City. So this is jeepney going to the San Nicolas Market. I will ask now. Excuse me, how much to Angeles? How much now? 13 peso. Same price. Okay, thank you very much. 13 peso, the same price. Price is not high, the same. MacArthur Highway. I think better walk than use car, because you can more faster walk when you drive your car. Take a look traffic. Here have also print service, insurance, money changer, and clinic. I remember maybe 11 years ago I test blood here in the second floor. Yeah, I test blood before. Lechon 300 peso. It's Lechon Manok 300 peso. Lechon Lempo 275. You can see so many. Hi. And now we turn to the backside of Walking Street. Fresh options, it's new. Before don't have fresh options. No, good. And turn right. It's the name street, Vian Street. This is another side of the Fields Plaza Hotel. To lobby. It's already Western Fields, backside of Western Fields. And another side, what is this? Walk around hotel. Walk around hotel. Another side. Today very good weather. I like walking this time because it's not hot, not cold. I wear my jacket because evening maybe more little bit colder. But it's okay now for me, very comfortable weather in the Philippines, very like. This is parking for Scorebirds. I will ask now Scorebirds Hotel about pool party in February. Yes. Also travel service inside. Good afternoon. Do you know about a pool party in February?
February, sir, we don't have yet the full pass.
Don't have. So don't have any information about pool party. February and March also. So already not don't have.
Yes, sir, we don't have
Okay. So information only can find in Facebook maybe.
yet. Yes, sir, you can check our Facebook page.
Facebook page. Okay. If don't have in Facebook page, it means don't have.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. So it's already no pool party. Scorebirds don't have even in February. Okay, no problem. I just filming for you. For me, not interesting, you know. Eat, I can eat in many places for eat. But of course, for you it's interesting because you can watch party, many girls, what they do. Before it's parking, and maybe now also parking. Do not enter. It's already not parking here. It's not parking already. Not. They want to build something, yeah? Construction already. Oh, very good. Thank you. So construction here is very good. Before it's parking. And this one also. What they do? Also. Maybe a hotel. Owner is CLM. I don't know, CLM. I remember here before have good carinderia, you can eat also, but now closed. Yeah, everything closed. Only massage have. Laundry still have. Bar. It's Swiss bar, I don't know what kind of bar. Massage spa also. I want to see construction about new building. Oh, take a look. This is Malaysian and Chinese Indian foods. And upstairs you can see Changkat bar. So in upstairs have bar also. You see, this is bar. This way to the bar. Maybe billiard also have. I don't know. Massage. At altitude condominium. Condominium. It's for long time built. Ванна эйфория. I know what we do here. This one is massage also. Massage. We will open soon. Yeah, you see, massage and laundry. Laundry and massage. Next week I will check again. Maybe we'll open. And I now am going to Georgi in Meikos. He play billiard now until 5 p.m. And I will show what kind of vitamins he bought. I order in iHerb. Delivery from iHerb to the Philippines 3-5 days. In SM have a healthy option you can buy, but maybe price 300-400 expensive more. But I can wait, not problem for me. 3-5 days, it's not long time. Also here have fruits. You can buy fruits, vegetable also. Banana, mango, papaya. So many. Crystal Palace. Don't have people. And this is Meikas bar for sale. We're going to upstairs, second floor, to find Georgia. You see, Meikas Gentleman Club. So we will find Georgia. A smell paint, maybe. Yeah, smell paint, maybe. I close center. Where, Georgia? I don't know where. I will ask him. I will message because time now 4:40. He replied to me, he said already on the way. I think he just walked to buy water because I know he always going to 7-Eleven near Walking Street and he buy water. Oh, Georgi. Hi Georgi. Where you been? Why you not playing billiard?
Because you see my turn already. I play already all game. So now last game and beat round.
Okay. Because I think maybe you go to buy water in 7-Eleven.
I'm just walking.
Just walking? Cranberry cups. Cranberry.
Because smell here.
Selenium. Yeah, smell.
Smell.
Paint. New paint. Outside.
Maybe not paint. It's maybe like this.
Clean, way clean.
No, it's cockroach.
Cockroach killer. Okay.
Something like this. Maybe because ground floor going to sell and they do
When remove cockroach
yes,
remove.
Yes, before selling. Maybe this, I don't know.
Okay, hi. Georgi, cockroach killer and spray and girl don't have already. Now wait, I will show to our subscriber what Selenium. So Palmetto. Okay. Wait, I will put in my backpack first. That's why I bring a backpack for take vitamins. Okay, Georgi, outside, wait. Okay. Because I also don't want it smell cigarette. I cannot. And Georgi also cigarette. It's I don't like.
Because they going to sell this bar.
This bar for sale.
Maybe already sold, I don't know.
Maybe sold out already. What do you think? Excuse me, it's already sold out bar or not? You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
You wanna buy it, sir?
No. You don't know how much?
I don't
Also don't know. Okay. Tequila Reef not sold out now. Not sold. But Swiss Chalet is for sale also. Swiss Chalet hotel, Swiss Chalet restaurant. Many for sale. I walk around, don't have people now. Very, very few people. And I been in the Omega. No good, comfortable. We give to you coffee also, free water, parking also, underground parking. How your room? Still problem?
Yes, sometimes. Trying to find out exactly from where it comes. Maybe I find the problem. I don't know yet. I cannot tell for sure. But probably I found the problem and probably I can fix.
What about internet? You said internet don't have all
No, broken.
broken.
Yes, they did not fix already 3 days.
3 days without internet.
Yes. It's broken in Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Already Wednesday. Don't fix.
But you said even many rooms, free rooms available right now.
I don't know how.
Usually this time is most of the rooms is not available. It's hot season in the Philippines. I mean tourist season, hot tourist season.
Honestly, I don't know. I know only the room where I stayed before. It's near the pump, and one more room near the pump, and the room at the middle floor under the pump. So 3 rooms not suitable for living because pump noise. When I move from that room to another, someone stays there and he complain about the noise. He cannot stay long time. He move out because you see 3 rooms cannot stay noise.
And you also thinking about change or not?
I don't know. I'm going to look tomorrow in Marisol. It's already furnished. They tell me 8,000 with aircon, but I need to look first.
Yeah, Marisol is not so far.
It's same street. No, it's one more street to the north from the place where I stayed before. in Marisol.
So you already know this as a
Yes,
place.
it's far from here, but if it's cheaper and if no problems like this, maybe I go, maybe I transfer. I don't know.
Okay.
4,000 cheaper.
Yeah,
4,000 cheaper.
yeah, better.
Yes.
You can save 4,000. It's also good.
Yes.
Okay, Georgi. I will go now to the
Yes.
home.